Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to completely remove and replace the sliding door on 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. This video applies to Dodge Caravans made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. So this is pretty much two-man job, so I would definitely suggest you have somebody helping you out, just because these doors are quite heavy and so you have to be careful so they don't drop on your foot or something like that. It is definitely doable for one person. I will be doing it alone, but it's a good idea to have the doors supported with something underneath just to be cautious. And one more thing, what could happen and what you have to be careful about: if you're working alone, make sure these hinges don't get bent under the weight of this door. So this is also something to keep in mind. That's why I said it's a good idea to have somebody helping you out. Okay, so in my case I will be using a jack to support the door, and I might get one more stand to support on the back of the door. I'll see how it goes, but yeah, like I said, figure something out, maybe use an old tire or something if you don't have a jack, but have it supported. Okay, so the first thing to remove would be this automatic door lock mechanism. It's held by two 10mm screws and you'll have to access it from underneath. You'll have one screw right here, and you can use your ratchet with a 10mm socket to remove this one. Now the other one will be just under this plastic clip which is holding the wire, so you want to pull this off. Here is your second nut actually. So for this one you most likely won't be able to access it with ratchet, but you can use like a small 10mm key and just unscrew it that way. So this is the first thing you want to do. Okay, so this is the first nut. The second one. Okay, so I've got this piece out, so now that stays attached to the old door. You'll get this new one with your new door. So the other purpose of this mechanism is actually when you open the door all the way, it locks the door in position, so once they are open they stay opened. So now once you have removed this, your door will keep moving back and forth. So you can either try putting something here to keep them open, or just support them a bit from underneath, and that way they will stay in place. Okay, so next thing to do, you want to unplug the wiring to this door. So unplug this connector. Now there is this safety pin, the red safety pin right here. So what you want to do, you want to use your flat screwdriver and just lift it up like this and pull it out. And once you do that, you can just press onto this connection and this should just easily disconnect. Now this connector will still be held onto the door with a small pin right here, so you just wanna pretty much pull it out, because you'll have to reuse the same connector on the new door that comes. But for now, just unplug it and leave it hanging down, and that way you got rid of all the wiring and everything. And now just a couple of screws to remove and the door will be off. Okay, so the next thing to do would be to detach the door from this top mounting point. Now there is a catch here. You can either detach, unscrew these two screws completely from the door, or you can remove this screw here, which is a Torx T25 I believe, and remove it that way with this mounting bracket attached. If you remove this screw, you'll give yourself more work, because then you'll have to align the new door to this van, and that will take you at least half hour. So what you want to do, you want to remove just these two 10mm screws on the top, and that way you won't have to deal with aligning the door or anything, because your new door will also have two screw holes right here. So you'll just put it in and the door should be automatically aligned. In case you have to play with the door alignment, this is where you do it, but I'm pretty sure you will not have to. Okay, so once you remove these top two screws, there is nothing else holding this door here at the top. Now the next thing to do would be to remove these two 10mm screws at the bottom. So this guy right here and the one there in the back. Now while removing this, be careful so this door doesn't fall on you. That's what I warned you about, because nothing else will be holding it here on this side. So yeah, just be cautious. Okay, so I've got these two out as well, so there is nothing holding this sliding door at the bottom either anymore. So only thing to remove would be two screws at the back of the door, which I will show you right now, and they are located right here. So you want to remove this one and this one. Okay, so once you remove these two screws, this sliding door will be completely loose. So make sure to hold it and support it, otherwise they will just fall down and break. But that's pretty much it. And now I'll have to put my phone away so I can grab the doors with both of my hands and remove them. Okay, and that's it. This is how you remove a sliding door from a Dodge Grand Caravan. Now to quickly summarize one more time, here at the bottom you'll have this auto lock mechanism and jam mechanism, which you have to remove. You'll have to unplug this one connector. You'll have two screws holding it here. You'll have two screws holding this door here, and you'll have two screws holding it here, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.